Houses boarded up along Saquatucket Bluffs in preparation of the big storm ahead. There we go. Now here comes the first band of rain. Coming down pretty good off of Saquatucket Bluffs, Harwich Port, Massachusetts. Hurricane Earl starting to arrive. 2:30 Friday. Running along the Harwich shore. Very few houses are actually boarded up here in front of the hurricane. I can only see one or two. We are looking up towards Bank Street. The hotel. Allen Harbor. Just before the storm here. Take a look and see what's left on moorings. Across Allen Harbor, Harwich Port, Massachusetts. Friday, September the 3rd. Almost every single boat is off the mooring. All the moorings are nearly vacant. There's one Catalina sailboat and an O'Day sailboat over on the near the Harwich Allen Harbor Marine Service, and we have two small boats up here in the corner. Other than that, everybody else is tied up to a dock. So Allen Harbor looking pretty secure here. Nice panoramic view of architecture at Allen Harbor. Allen Harbor Marine Service, boats tied up in prep for the hurricane, every slip taken, secured. And here's the yacht club side, equally well done. Prior to the storm, Friday, 3 p.m. and Town Pier next door. Moving into Oyster Creek inside of Allen Harbor. This was dredged a little less than a year ago and brought back to a mid-channel depth of 4 feet throughout most of the channel. Bulkhead here at McKevitt's house inside of Oyster Creek. Quite a bulkhead. Looks like it's vinyl material. It looks like a big swimming pool in here. Moving further up, deeper up into the creek. Only some boats on docks. This is probably the best hurricane hole in the entire town of Harwich. Very quiet up here, very secluded. Beautiful homes here inside Oyster Creek. Witchmere Harbor, Harwich Port, running alongside Harwich Port Boatyard. And checking out the inside the mirror. Hey, how you doing? Oh, hey John.
Yeah, how you doing?
Good. You all set?
Yeah, I want to talk to you about one of those boats over there.
Okay. Down pier.
Hi, this is Lee Culver, Emergency Management Director. We are currently under a hurricane warning. There is a possibility that we could experience hurricane-force winds in the next 24 hours. Please start preparing now. We suggest you remove all small vessels from the beaches and shorelines. Residents with special needs, if planning to remain at home, must be prepared to be self-sufficient for 24 to 48 hours. If unable to be self-sufficient, alternative arrangements should be sought now.